Yo, so in today's video we're just going to quickly go over downtrends, bearish market conditions, and structure and what to look for. So we're just basically going to start it like this. So let me draw these lines here. This is going to be the roof, which is resistance, and then we're going to have a floor down here, which is your support. Now in a downtrend, in a bearish market, structure is going to look a little something like this. Come up here, come down, boom, create a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It might come up here and retest this structure again, this area, that pivot, boom. Either way, let me make this red. So like I was saying, in a downtrend, this is what we're looking for right here. We're gonna have a lower high, lower low, another lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and y'all tell me what's this right here. That's gonna be our lower low. Whoops. All right, cool. So with that being said, it's gonna create structure like this. Now it's not gonna be perfect all the time, but overall you should be able to identify these trends and see what type of condition we're in. Now with that being said, we're going to drop down into the actual charts with the candlesticks. It's not a live market, but this is previous price action, and we're going to identify these trends right now. So as you can see, we're on the 4 hour. I'm going to draw my path tool so you can kind of see what we're working with here. Here we go right here. So we're going to start high. You can either consider this point a low or this a low. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it made a low right here, which eventually took out structure. Now that's going to be called a break of structure, but we'll get into that later on. Now let me break this down a little more. Let me move the path tool out the way, and let's circle these points right here. So we're going to have one here. Gonna have, you can consider this one if you want to, nothing's wrong with that. Then I'm gonna have another lower high here, and like I said, depending if you had this mark, then you're gonna have a low right here, low, lower high, gonna have a lower low, and one more lower high that didn't make a lower low. Let me remove this path tool so you can see the candlesticks. Like I said, over time you'll be able to visualize this and understand it a lot more after, numerous hours of chart time. I'm not saying spend a whole 12 hours, but your eyes will just get trained to seeing this after a while. And that's gonna wrap up this video here. We'll catch y'all in the next one on this free beginners boot camp course.